Hey everybody, this is Complexity Crew. In this tutorial or video, I'm gonna just show how I was producing. I made this in 5 or 10 minutes, and I'm gonna show you how I use different things like the FL granulizer and side chaining with a kick that I made myself, kick drum. So check it out, and I'll jump in if I have to talk to explain something, but check it out. So right here I'm just automating the ratio of the compression of the the house loop thing, which is going you can hear the sound in the background. So yeah, if you want to make it hit harder by the kick, then you would automate the compression to be above 60%. That's a real good tip I have for you guys. So then next thing we're gonna do is mess with the fruity granulizer. So the FL granulizer thing, where you can automate the grain spacing and wave spacing to create distinct vocal sample atmosphere, as you can hear. So I'll just let it play. So this part, I'm just gonna use the EQing part to take out the muddy part of the bass, the low frequencies, below 40 Hertz. Then I'm mixing on the master channel, the limiter, to make the mix louder. I'll just let you guys listen for now. If this helped you in any way, and if you want to see the next tutorials I got, then please comment, like, and subscribe. Peace.